Join me as I challenge myself to create an entire piece of art using only artificial intelligence. Can I make something that looks good? Artificial intelligence is revolutionizing the way we create art, and its potential to enhance the creative process is vast. By leveraging AI tools, artists can unlock new levels of innovation and expression, breaking free from traditional techniques and exploring uncharted territories. Many artists struggle with creative blocks, where ideas seem scarce and inspiration is hard to find. Time constraints also pose a significant challenge, as meeting deadlines and delivering high-quality work can be overwhelming. The pressure to constantly innovate and produce unique pieces can be suffocating, leading to burnout and frustration. Artists often find themselves stuck in a rut, unable to break free from familiar patterns and styles. The artistic journey is filled with ups and downs, and it's common for artists to feel like they're running out of ideas or struggling to stay motivated. The fear of not being able to create something truly original can be daunting, causing artists to doubt their abilities and question their passion. Inadequate skills or training can also hold artists back, limiting their ability to express themselves effectively. Artistic expression is a deeply personal and emotional process, and it's not uncommon for artists to feel vulnerable and exposed when sharing their work. The fear of criticism or rejection can be paralyzing, causing artists to hesitate or second-guess themselves. By acknowledging and addressing these challenges, artists can begin to break down the barriers that hold them back and unlock their full creative potential. AI tools can assist artists in overcoming these challenges by providing new sources of inspiration and streamlining the creative process. Popular AI art generators like Deep Dream and Prisma use complex algorithms to generate stunning images and patterns, giving artists a fresh perspective and sparking new ideas. These tools can also help artists automate repetitive tasks, freeing up time and energy to focus on the creative aspects of their work. AI art generators work by analyzing vast amounts of data and using machine learning algorithms to identify patterns and relationships. This allows them to generate original artwork that is often indistinguishable from human-created pieces. By collaborating with AI tools, artists can tap into this creative potential and produce innovative, high-quality work that pushes the boundaries of what is possible. The possibilities are endless when combining human creativity with AI technology, and many artists are already exploring this new frontier. From generating stunning landscapes to creating intricate patterns and designs, AI art generators are opening up new avenues for artistic expression. By embracing this technology, artists can stay ahead of the curve and take their creative work to new and exciting heights. In a recent project, an artist used AI to create a breathtaking piece that showcased the potential of this technology. By feeding the AI algorithm a series of images and parameters, the artist was able to generate a stunning work of art that was both unique and visually striking. The process was fascinating, with the AI tool iterating and refining the design until the final product was achieved. The results were nothing short of remarkable, with the AI-generated piece displaying a level of complexity and nuance that was previously unimaginable. The artist was able to achieve a level of detail and precision that would have been impossible to achieve by hand, and the final piece was a testament to the power of human-AI collaboration. This project demonstrated the incredible potential of AI in art, and it's an exciting glimpse into the future of creative expression. The benefits of incorporating AI into the artistic process are clear: enhanced creativity, increased efficiency, and unprecedented levels of innovation. By embracing this technology, artists can unlock new levels of potential and take their work to new heights. The future of art has never been more exciting, and it's an honor to be a part of this journey. Incorporating AI into the artistic process can revolutionize the way we create, and it's an opportunity that artists should not miss. The possibilities are endless, and the potential for growth and innovation is vast. Thanks for watching. If you have any thoughts on using AI in art, please share them in the comments below. And don't forget to check out my other videos on art and technology.